How to fix Windows 10 night light not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if your night light is not working on Windows. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, basically, you were supposed to open up settings, then you would go to system, and then you would go to display. Then here you'd find an option called night light, where if you turned on, it would give you this sort of yellowish kind of vibe that will allow you to see at night with more ease if you don't have your environment lit. And if this option is not working for some reason, you might need to update your display drivers. Now, to update the display drivers, what you can try to do is you can simply go ahead and then open up Device Manager. Once you go to Device Manager, here you will see this type of information here. Now on the left hand side, you can see display adapters. Click on it, and here you can see, maybe depending upon your computer or your graphics card, you will see different options. Right click on each of them and click on update driver, and if there is any sort of updates available for these drivers, it will begin to download instantly. Now normally you can also try to just update your PC from Windows Update, because during Windows Update also any drivers that you haven't updated will actually be downloaded automatically, so you might want to check that as well. So hope this video helps you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.